Awesome, huh?
Safari Wisata. Oh, best tour guide. The
Awesome.
service.
Yeah, awesome service, all inclusive. Really take care of us like VIP customers.
Take care of everything that we asked for, even things that we didn't think of. They provided for us.
Yeah, they very flexible with the schedule. If you don't want to do something on the schedule, you can do something else every day as you please. Really awesome, awesome time. Thank you guys.
Yeah, definitely we'll be back and recommend
Yeah.
for all of our friends.
For sure.
So how do you think about Aceh and Pulau?
Beautiful. Two beautiful places, very relaxed, very calm, not too many tourists, very local vibe, kampung feeling. And Pulawe, the diving is super.
It's like world-class
World-class
diving. Bucket
diving.
list, check.
Yeah.
Many foreigner asking about is it safe to travel to Aceh? How do you feel about it?
Oh yes, feel super safe all the time. There was not once that I did not feel safe.
Yeah,
Feels
same.
well.
Yeah, I walked around by myself, no issues.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody was polite and greeted and very nice.
Yeah.
Safe.
Perfect. Thank you very much.